I would just go home doing it every single day. But now mine's at the end of the day, so it doesn't really matter.
All right, some examples of this stuff. So we're starting at number 18. So we have -3 raised to the 5th. So what would this be equal to? And is it going to be positive or negative? Okay, it's going to be negative.
3 times 3.
So 3 times 3 is?
3 times 3 is 9.
And then 3 times 3 is?
9.
Okay, so 9 times 9 is? Yes.
81.
And then multiply by another 3. But yes, it is 243.
Charge my calculator. I have Anna Kipke's calculator too, and I need to charge that too.
I didn't think she didn't have a calculator that you could charge.
She has batteries then. It needs something. It's not turning on.
She has an old calculator. I remember.
Did you need that for college?
Probably not. All right, another one. -2 to the 5th.
No, I think I gave it back.
What's that one?
32.
-32. If it was to the 4th instead, what would be different about it? Yeah, it would be positive. Obviously, the number would be different, but the sign would be different. All right, evaluate each expression. Okay, so big thing here is PEMDAS. Just don't forget it.
I love PEMDAS.
My pre-cal was they were struggling earlier with PEMDAS. I was like, all right, guys, come on now. All right, so 26, 9 times 3 minus 16 divided by 4.
Okay, wait.
So what do I do first?
Multiplication.
So what is
divide,
that?
Subtract. 27 minus.
You can do this in one step if you
I
want.
got the
4.
answer. 20.
Yep. $30, same instructions. We have in parentheses 5 minus 3 squared, close parentheses. Other parentheses, we have the square root of 16 minus 2 cubed, close parentheses.
The square root of 16 is 4.
Okay. Instead of writing out 18 steps, I'm going to write as much as I can in the one, so.
5 minus 9. Minus
So,
8.
oh, dang it, Hope. I thought the square was on the outside. That sucks.
Negative 4 times negative 4, which is 16.
Yep.
Go me. Mental math. My dad would be so proud.
Miss Marshall was going on a rant the other day about those things that you see posted on like social media about like only 10% of the population can get this right, and it's like the problems that are like definitely PEMDAS problems, and everybody's like, if you think this is the answer, you are wrong, and it's like, no, you're the one that's wrong because you don't know PEMDAS.
Yeah.
It's always funny.
It's always the people that are like, well, you're wrong because of this.
I know the people that are the most confident are usually the ones that are wrong.
Yeah.
I was just like, it just irritates me, so I just figure out the answer in my head and move on. All right, so with these next ones, we're told that P is equal to -4, Q is equal to 8, and R is equal to -10. And we're going to use those to substitute into the problem. So 38, P plus R over P plus Q.
Bro, these are so easy. I like this section.
They had to start you off with something, well, not that this stuff was hard, but something that was difficult to draw. And then they have to give you something that's easy. All right, so we're going to replace each variable with the respective numbers. So we have -4 plus -10 over -4 plus 8. So
It's an improper fraction.
as long as you reduce it, it's
2,
fine.
3, and 1/2.
I don't like mixed numbers.
7 over 2.
-7 over 2.
Can't you do mixed numbers? What is the difference?
You can, I just don't like them. And they're not as useful.
True, because then you have to, if you're trying to find common denominator.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plus, if you do that, it's just another step that you have to do that you wouldn't have to do
I was
otherwise.
going to turn it into a decimal too, but I'm not technically here, so.
I'm going to Vinny's.
Hey, you do that.
You have fun with that.
So you have to leave.
Do you need to like place your order? Or
Should I?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
I would call, if you're getting a salad,
Yeah.
just call it in, then you literally just go in there and pick it up.
Yeah.
All right. So 46 negative parentheses q minus 6 squared minus 2p over
That was so
4 minus p.
out of nowhere. I forgot we were talking about that, and I was like, what?
I know. I was like, what? Okay. I was like, that's definitely relevant.
It really just that sent me over the edge. I was like, wow, okay. It was the improper fraction.
The improper fraction. You heard no mixed numbers and you're like, oh, I want to mix salad.
It was my sign.
All right, so we're plugging the same numbers in here. So we have negative and then 8 minus 6 squared minus
1/2.
2 times -4 over 4 minus a -4.
Then you have -2 squared, which you can go ahead and do that, which is 4. Plus 8. Over 8. So 4 over 8, 1/2.
You didn't turn that one into a 0.5.
1/2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool beans. We only have 5 left. You said there was 11.
And I was just looking at the problem and how I got the wrong answer on my paper, but I have the 2 different problems written down. That's why. So, okay.
Funsies.
I was like, what is that? Oh well. All right. 50. These ones say to identify the property illustrated in each statement. Assume all variables represented are real numbers. So you're just telling me which property it is. So 8 times m plus 4 equals 8m plus 32. What property is that? Distributive.
I was still thinking we had to plug in the numbers.
There's no m. All right, 56. -7 plus x plus 3 equals x plus 3 plus -7. Commutative.
I like these ones. Hope the rest of them are like this.
All right, next, simplify each expression.
Oh, I'm good at this.
So 64, we have
This chapter.
3/4 r times -12.
Oh no, I don't like this.
Why? It's just multiplication.
Well, don't you have to multiply? I hate fractions.
You're gonna get rid of the fraction. Cancel it.
Oh, we're solving.
I don't understand.
We're just reducing it down as far as possible.
How do you do that?
What?
I don't understand fractions.
Look, watch. Cross out the 4. Make that a 3. The 12 is on top, the 4 is on the bottom. This is an imaginary over
Got
1.
it.
So then it is -9r.
I'm so excited for you to move into
All
Ask
right.
your mom if she wants something, then maybe she'll pay for lunch.
She's not gonna pay for lunch because she said, "Oh no, I already have my 3 almonds. I don't need anything."
That sounds like Kenny makes fun of my mom because she'll say if she has like a half a Starburst that she's like full.
Yes, Mom, stop.
All right, decide whether each statement is true or false. If it's false, correct the statement.
She gets so mad when I say that, but it's true.
All right, the absolute value of negative 3 cubed is equal to negative absolute value of 3 cubed. Is this true or false?
True.
Dun, dun, true.
Because everything's gonna be positive.
No, it's false because there's a negative on the outside.
Freak. Yeah, you're right. Because
It's
yeah,
false.
first one's positive, then yep, you're right. Correct. Good job, guys.
We would have to move the negative inside to make it true. All right, last one.
Yay! Take mine 15 minutes today.
The absolute value of negative 14 over the absolute value of 2 equals the absolute value of negative 14 over 2. True or false?
That one's true.
True.
I have a
Yay.
question.
I might have an answer.
Oh wait, it's not about that. Maybe you can turn the video off.
Oh, I need to put the homework on there first.
Oh. Is it due Friday?
Smiley
Yeah.
face.
All right.
I could be studious and do this now, but we know it's not gonna happen.
17, 23, and then you're going to be mad tomorrow when you have more homework to do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
That's how it always works, and I hate it.
29.
I'm going to learn after this. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna see Sam.
39.
Yeah. And today will be
47.
it's hoodie day. Today I ride all the
51.
Why are you having a bad day? No, I'm sorry.
Thanks.
Does it have something to do with 4-year-olds?
Not really.
You were giving here, you're like, maybe I will be the 4th grade teacher's aide.
65.
They're
And
just big brains.
83.
They're just big brains these days. 85.
You need
73.
77, 79, or 81.
81.
81.
81.
Yay.